Good day and welcome back to Deck Trains, the series where we look at a different set of trains from the collection every week. And this is week 103. Sticking with the TEE style theme, we're going to do DB, Deutsche Bundesbahn, and Express locomotives. So we're going to look at a 1992 Roco MuseumsEdition number 43238 BR 01150 Pacific Steam Tender Loco. Going to pull a mess o' red and cream passenger coaches. A number 4235 first class, 4267 lounge, 4270 restaurant, 4271 dome. $231 of these heavy passenger locos were built between 1926 and 1938. Yes, that means pre-war. They were the first of the the Deutsche Reichsbahn-Gesellshaft standardized locos, and the start of production was delayed due to the track and turntables not being strong enough to support these. Did I say heavy locos? They were originally intended to be a 4-cylinder driven engine, but since testing alongside the sister BR02 class revealed little advantage to 4, the final adoption was only 2 cylinders. And did I say designed as fast passenger locos? Their top speed was 130 kilometers per hour. That's 81 miles an hour. And they did run in reverse at times, and they ran up to 50 kilometers per hour or 31 miles an hour, tender first. Our unit manages a scale 104.7 kilometers per hour. That's 65 miles per hour at only 50% power. The DB used these locos until 1973, while the GDR, yes, that's East Germany, still had working locos into the 1980s. 17 locomotives remain, 5 in operational condition. Our model's prototype is in the Nuremberg RR Museum and was damaged in their 2005 fire. After some marathon fundraising, restored to operating conditions in 2013. And yes, part 2, we will add the Fleischmann number 5568 track cleaning wagon. Did I say I liked passenger trains? Well, Next week, we're going to have another Deutsche Bahn Express passenger train, a Eurofima blue and cream set of Schnellzugs. So, thanks for watching this week. Hope to see you next week.